All right, so a lot of clients want to know what our AI images look like. How do we kind of integrate that into your website? And what can you expect for us to deliver to you? And how is it delivered to get all of your assets to you? So I wanted to cover that in this video. And the images that you are looking at right now on the screen, these are all AI generated. They are customized for each client. So, as part of our process, we send over a questionnaire and we're going to want to know what shots are you looking for? What spaces are you looking for? What details do you want included in those rooms? Are there maybe an inspiration interior designer that you kind of would love to see that style reflected in these images? We're not copying, keep in mind, but we want to kind of better understand the look and feel that you are going for in delivering these images so they accurately reflect your design aesthetic and clearly communicate that to clients who are visiting your website, visiting your socials, etc. So I wanted to kind of showcase that. Of course, this beautiful brand imagery is the client's, but for example, this bathroom photo, that is a stock photo. And then this kitchen photo is an AI generated photo. So as part of our work together, we ask you to send us over all the images, all the details, and it's our job to beautifully curate that so that your entire website feels cohesive, your social media feels cohesive, your colors all look similar. For example, you can see these are images of this client's actual work. So there's not like a whole lot of difference in what you're seeing here and what you're seeing in their work. We've carefully chosen photos that best illustrate the style they want to be known for, the style they want to get more work in. And it's our job to beautifully display that on the website. So, for example, this background is like a marble background, and that's a stock photo that we chose to showcase their style. We also created this beautiful texture because they are located in Arizona and they have that beautiful stucco and California cool look to their projects. And then, of course, um, not echoed, but like complemented by their branding, their brand colors, the typography selected. All of those things beautifully work together to tell, uh-oh, I'm about to say to tell a story, but to showcase what a client can expect and to set the tone for your work before a client reaches out. So I wanted to also show you how we deliver our work and what you can expect with that. So this is the custom client folder, private client folder that we provide for all of our clients. So as we build out your branding, we start filling these different assets for you. So if you have photography, we have everything kept right here. It's organized by project and things like that. And then we get to the AI photography. So we've created these different sections for the client based on projects or um, elevations that she wanted to see with her images. So as you can see, we've got 10 different categories. And then as you click into these, we have a number of photos to select from inside of each of these categories. So we want to make sure that we're giving our clients enough options. As you see, we've got horizontal and vertical choices so that it's going to work well both on your website and then also on mobile for social media, etc. So that's how we deliver our work to the clients. And then you'll see all the other things. So we have also custom curated beautiful stock photography. This is great to have a bank of portfolio images that this client can pull from as they're creating their own marketing materials, social media posts, putting together assets for their business. They know they have this bank of on-brand images that they can pull from anytime. We also provide the brand documents. So as part of our work together, we are creating your mood board. We present you with your brand identity. We give you this quick reference board, which is basically a board that is an easy reference guide as you are getting more familiar with your brand, if you're working with vendors, etc. You can easily send this to them. They can see what are your logos and how to use them. You've got your colors and then also your fonts, and then a little use case down below to show how this might look in action. And then to complement that, we have your full brand guidelines document, which is really detailed and is going to go through all of your different logos, how to use your logos, etc. And then, oops. And then we come here, we've got all of the final logos that we created for the client. These are all done in all the brand colors. And then as you click into each color, you have the choice for print files or web files. So depending on what you're working on, you might want to choose web, and then you can download directly from there what you are looking for. You can also share this with somebody that is maybe working on your brand for you, or is a vendor that you're going to be speaking at their event and they want your logo sent over to them. So we love this tool because it's a great way to not only have a central point of reference, but also be able to easily share and see what you have. Here we have the logo pattern that we created for the client. We also create beautiful mock-ups for you. These are great to share your launch on social. They're beautifully presented images of your brand. We also create business cards for you, so that's easy to get printed. And then also we have beautiful social media graphics, and we include a link to Canva, so you can click on that link and then directly import these social graphics into your Canva account, so you can duplicate them. You can use them however you choose. But we want to make it as easy as possible for you to maintain this beautiful brand and to have these assets to supplement you as you are growing. So I hope that answered a lot of the questions, maybe around what do I get or what does that look like. But if you do have any additional questions, feel free to email me back. All right, thanks. Bye.